Okay guys, I see there's a bit of confusion on MT5. It's really not as hard as you think. Right, let's just pull this over. This is my Black Bull. All right, so this is the Black Bull account. And what seems to be the trouble when we're looking at is, how do you get your points? How do you get your pips? How do you read the ATR? Right, well, let's have a quick look at this, shall we? So I'll pull that back up and then we'll compare against the web trader and this. All right, so I'll pull that back up. So first of all, you want to be on your daily, the daily chart. All right, because that's roughly what we're looking at. And the ATR will tell you whether it goes as far one way as it will the other. So if it never looked back, it'll go a certain amount of pips. So get our indicator, average true range, and I'll just switch that on. Okay. This here is a point value. Now, if you remember with MT5, every 10 points equals 1 pip. Okay. So what you do is you divide that by 10. And that'll give you the pip count. So if we look at it, and you go like this. Now I could be wrong. Marcel may chip in. He's sort of the resident MT5, but this is how I would read this. So there it is there. All right, 1939. Okay, divide by 10. Gives you 193.9 for the day. Okay, so from the point of the start of the day, it can run 193 pips that way. It can run 193 pips the other way. Now, if I pull in my web trader, okay, so pull in web trader, just like so, and we go to the same market, which is this one. So pound JPY, just the same. And I put on average true range, 14 setting, just the same. On a daily, it is, put that to the end, 194.3. So giving little bits of variation between brokers, etc., etc. It's about exactly the same. So that's the way I read an ATR and MT5. Personally, I don't. I use my web trader for everything because that's just the habit that I'm in. And when I'm talking, I'm always basing it on this. So remember that. But the markets, the shapes are roughly the same and the numbers won't be a million miles off. Hope that helps. Catch you soon.